Welcome to the introduction to the July Lab Developer Workshop. My name is Gregory, and I'm a Solutions Architect here at Skillable, and I'll be presenting the workshop. In May and June, we delivered events discussing evaluating learners' knowledge and skills through the use of questions. Skillable supports a variety of question types, through the use of AI, using AI vision, and through the use of scripted automated activities. And these enable us not just to validate knowledge, but to build dynamic learning environments. During those sessions, we did refer to scoring, albeit in a limited way. But did you know Skillable has multiple scoring methods? In the July event, we will close our season of activities by looking at the full scoring feature set. This feature set is available in the Skillable platform to all customers. I look forward to you joining me for the Scoring Skillable Labs event on Thursday, the 31st of July. Thank you very much.